Good morning. Today I will take you along with me to the iconic Burj al Arab tour. So let's not waste more time and go inside.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Good morning.
The vision of our leader, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. He is the Vice President, Prime Minister of UAE and the ruler of Dubai. His Highness, before more than 20 years, he wanted to put Dubai as a landmark in the global map. In that time, he created a competition, was won by famous interior designer, her name Quan Chu. So Quan Chu, she's the interior designer of Burj al Arab. She gets inspired by ancient symbol, the tree of life. So all the colors that you're gonna see and the designs represent the four elements, which is fire, water, earth, and air. Shortly, we're gonna walk through those doors to the lobby of Burj al Arab. You're gonna see the aquarium from both sides in the lobby. This aquarium home for more than 50 species of fish. And we'll be using escalator to go for the first floor. While you're on the escalator, you will be standing in one of the tallest atrium in the world with height 180 meters tall. So we'll be using the panoramic elevator to go to the 25th floor, where is the royal suite located. Please step inside. Please step inside.
Please, typically in upstairs on the right side, there's my colleague there waiting for you.
We're going?
Basically living and sleeping in Burj al Arab, rushing from area to area. I was basically living and sleeping in Burj al Arab, rushing from.
So what do we have here?
This side.
Yes.
Good morning. So please come this side. So there is a Burj al Arab studio. So there you can take pictures like a green screen photo regarding to my Burj al Arab. So last one, you can do thumbs up to my
Also, please look at this one. It's part of the tour. So please just come. So you'd like to knock for us? Okay. You'd like to knock? Good job. There you go.
Welcome to the Royal Suite, the jewel in the crown of the Burj al Arab. Please come in. I have been expecting you. How are you today? My name is Ashraf and my colleague Hassan. We are here to make you feel as a superstar. So, how do you like our entrance hall here? You like it?
Yeah.
Personally, I like the impressive gold and marble staircase, 24-karat gold ceiling and wall, even your private elevator here. This suite is very bright and colorful. It looks amazing in your camera. Feel free to take photos as many you want, as many you need. But while you're taking the photo, don't sit in sofa or any furniture because all furniture is considered as antiques. You have several rooms to discover. We will start with the living room. Then you will go upstairs, right side, queen bedroom, then king bedroom, and the last will be dining room here. Follow me, please. Earlier today, you learned about the four elements: earth, air, water, and fire. Our designer Juan Cho says the fire is the brightness and strongest color. That's why you can see here more red and yellow. Like I told you, all the furniture is considered as antiques. For example, the Japanese screen back to 19th century, more than 200 years. Please enjoy. It's self-guided tour, but don't sit on sofa. Thank you.
Al-Majlis room and the Queen's room.
Queen's room, okay. Oh. What a room.
This is Al-Majlis room.
Oh,
Al-Majlis, Arabic word, means the traditional Arabic meeting room.
okay.
Here the Queen can stay and relaxing with her friends here. Queen and King.
Yes.
She can stay with friends.
Friends, okay. So this is your bed?
The Queen's room.
Okay. Oh, okay. This is the bathroom of the Queen. And let me tell you, this is the gold. 24 karat gold. 24 karat gold, right?
Yes, everything here, left 24 karat gold. And shower here.
Also?
Inside the shower, it's pure 24 karat gold.
Pure 24 karat gold.
Yeah.
Amazing. Impressive. Okay.
Signature center Miss Public Pass.
What? Oh. Jacuzzi? Okay.
Look at the secret mirror here.
What?
Secret mirror here.
Oh. Secret mirror.
Now ladies like mirror everywhere.
One secret mirror.
Hello.
So what is here?
Here is the master room and the king's room.
Okay. Oh wow. No mirror here?
We have a mirror right here. But it's a surprise for you.
Ah.
Later I will tell you. When you finish, the last thing I will tell you about the mirror.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
So you're waiting for the surprise?
So we said this is the master room, not only for king's room. So she can come and stay with him here in this room. And we said before also the woman love the mirror everywhere.
Hmm.
So here no secret mirror for her. No, but sure we have a secret mirror for her. And from other side here.
Oh.
Secret mirror will be behind the bed.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now we have a secret mirror.
Right this way.
Right this way? What is this?
Dining room.
Dining room. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this is the library. Wow. It was a fascinating experience visiting an iconic Burj al Arab hotel. I hope you liked the tour. For more travel videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.